Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a new feature that was added to Stocktrac that will allow you to create a billing center for leasing companies and other third-party payment companies that stipulate that they must be the ones to charge the customer sales tax. That way it gives you the ability to remove the sales tax from a ticket without having to go in and alter the customer's saved tax profile and then having to remember to go back into that the next time the customer comes in and change it back to the default. To begin, we're going to go into Accounts Receivable. We're going to go to Edit Customer and New. For the purpose of this video, we're just going to make a very generic leasing company. We'll add a generic phone number, but you would want to fill in as much information as you can about the company that you're going to be working with, or that the customers will be working with. We will set their tax status as exempt. We can give them an account number. And then we change their customer type to a billing center, which brings up these new options. And the one we're going to choose is this one right here, to use billing center's tax settings. Now that we've got everything that we need on the customer, or on the leasing company, we hit OK. We can close AR. And now we go into point of sale, and I'll show you how to use it. We'll go into this estimate that I have prepared here. As you can see, it's a retail customer with a default tax profile. Over here, it shows that the customer is being charged sales tax. The work is done. We are just ready to bill it out. So we go over here to the Finish tab, and under Payment Details, we select Other Billing as the method. And in the Bill To drop-down, we choose our new leasing company. And you can see that that automatically takes the sales tax, not just from right here, but also from over here. There's no taxes being charged to this customer now. So we can print that. Oops, we have to apply it first. That's always important. So we print it. And there we go. Now, if we go back into Accounts Receivable, there's our leasing company. If we look at their AR status, they now have an open invoice for the amount that the customer would have been charged. Now, when you receive your payment from that company, the easiest way to enter that into Stocktrac is to go here in Point of Sale, to create a new ticket, and you will choose the leasing company as the customer. It lets you know that they have an open balance. And we go over here to Items. We will add a part. And the part that we're going to add is an ROA. Tab over, and that will populate this. Now the selling price will be the amount that they are paying. In this instance, since they are just paying on the one invoice, it will be $872.86. We hit OK, and now it prompts, do you want to apply it to a specific invoice? We will say yes, because we want to try to keep the AR accounts as neat as possible. Here's the amount remaining to apply. Since we only have the one invoice, we'll just hit the auto apply. If the customer pays on multiple invoices at the same time, unless they are just a few out of many that the customer has open, you can hit the auto apply and it will start at the oldest invoice and just apply to every single invoice until the remaining balance goes down to 0. Otherwise, if you have to pay on if they're paying on specific ones that are not in order, you can simply click in the amount to apply box and manually enter the amount that they are paying for that particular ticket. So now we hit OK. We go to the Finish tab. We choose our payment method again. Apply it. Oops. And now, if we go back into AR, we can look at our customer again. And it shows they have a 0 balance. There's the paid invoice, and there's the applied payment. And that is how you can set up a leasing party or leasing company that will have a tax exempt status that can then be applied to any customer's ticket, removing the sales tax from that ticket. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video informational and helpful, and we will see you in the next video.